In these days of increasing natural disasters in our region, many lives have been claimed as climate change continues to impinge on the Pacific, particularly in the MSG region. However, the combined efforts and resources of all Melanesians is vital to help mitigate this natural phenomenon.
The establishment of a rapid response force in Melanesia is a proactive response to growing security concerns within the region. It would therefore be wise to have a ready and available force in place in MSG to address those issues, which is a proactive force ready to address security concerns rather than a laid-up approach when a crisis or natural disaster strikes. Delegates at this morning's MSG meeting on humanitarian and emergency response were also reminded to adopt strategies that would help mitigate our collective efforts in responding to natural disasters.
In the long term, HERF or similar arrangement is necessary and enable our region to utilize our HERF experts to go and help our country people in the region. This may also require considerable investment by our members in supporting the concept. Therefore, I would again urge you all to ensure that you provide all the necessary information to our leaders.
The proposed Humanitarian and Emergency Response Force, or HERF, will be trained to respond to threats of illicit activities along regional and international borders, natural disasters, and internal conflicts within the Melanesian countries. At the same time, Melanesian countries want to strengthen policing within member countries.
Perhaps this is also an opportune time to deliberate and to see where HERF and FPU can be implemented, how they can complement each other. I would not like to bore you with words, since this is only a half-day workshop, and I shall allow your working group syndicates to help us reflect on the preparation and the presentations today, and to present appropriate outcomes to the subcommittee on security.
PS Fotofili added that it was important to maintain consistent dialogue for the sake of the economy and the people of Fiji, and that follow-ups were done to achieve tangible outcomes.